have a friend who is helping another friend empty out his property because he's moving. Anyway, this was in the way back of his property. Doesn't have tags, doesn't have tail lights, but he asked me if he could bring it over and just leave it here a couple of hours while he goes and gets stuff to do tail lights and stuff. So I came out and looked at it and I thought, ooh, that's pretty cool. So I thought I would show you guys. I don't know what make and model it is. I don't know what year it is. I don't know anything. But it's in really bad shape. But it's an RV I haven't seen before. There's the back end of it. It's in pretty rough shape. But those bullet holes. Really bad shape. And I don't even know if I can get in the door. Look at these front windows. It reminds me of a boat. Front windows, not doors. Oh, there's a tag on it. Let's see. This trailer coach is equipped for use with petroleum gas only. Do not connect with natural gas. Okay. Wouldn't that be adorable if somebody had the time and patience and money to fix it up? I can't, oh, it's not locked. Yeah, it's in pretty rough shape. Ooh, that's a real metal screen. I can't see in here, and I don't know if the lighting... Apparently the other guy was using it just for storage too. All I can get in here is my arm, so I don't even know what I'm showing you. I don't know if there's sink in here anymore.